Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I slay this beautiful unit that I received from Divaswigs.com, and they sent me over their Malaysian sleek bob. This is their 360 lace frontal wig. This is a glueless wig cap, and this has a pre-plucked hairline. This is 100% Malaysian hair in natural black, 12 inches, blunt cut, 180% density, and the hair is really thick and it looks super natural. Like, I'm shook how natural this looks, and I'm so loving on how this unit feels. It has a lot of body, a lot of volume, and it flows, and it's really soft. So I am really adoring this unit, so I cannot wait to try this on. And as you can see here, a close-up from the hairline. This is a pre-plucked hairline. You don't have to do any customizing or whatsoever. Like, I am not a fan of customizing because I always mess up. So if you are someone like me, if you're a beginner, this is like a beginner friendly unit because you don't have to do anything to this unit. The knots are also already bleached, so that's a plus. The only thing you have to do is cut off the lace and then you're good to go. But guys, I'm so happy that I don't have to do anything to this unit. Like, this unit is like on fleek straight out of the box, so I'm so excited to try this unit out. And the only thing that I always do, and this is something that I always do for all my units, is that I apply foundation powder on the inside of the lace cap, just so the lace can match my scalp a little bit better, especially on the part where I'm going to part my hair. It does make a little difference. Okay, that's something that I always do, nothing special. And now I'm going to apply the wig, and if you want to see in detail on how I prep my natural hair for wigs and how I braid my hair and all kind of stuff, click the link here on the screen. But I'm going to skip over that part because otherwise this video will be too long. Okay. And I'm just going to apply the wig, nothing special. I'm just going to attach the wig to my head with the combs, and I'm also going to adjust the straps in the back so the wig is secure. And that's it. That's the only thing that I have to do. Like, I'm not applying any gel, glue, tape, or whatever that holds your wig in place. I'm not doing all of that because I don't need it. Okay, I don't need all of that because this unit came ready to go. This unit fits perfectly on my head, really comfortable, so I don't need all of that, which is great. And here, a close-up of the parting space, guys. Like, this does look natural, like, or am I tripping? Like, this is so freaking natural. I'm just like, wait a minute, what? I'm looking at my screen right now, I'm like, what? Anyways, I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer onto the lace just so I can hide the line of demarcation, because you can see that a little bit. And also I'm going to apply the concealer onto that parting space just so it matches my skin tone even better. It looked already on fleek before, but now it's just like, okay, on point. Like, girl, sis, yeah, I know what you think. Like, girl, what wig? It's a wig? I don't know about you, but I don't see a wig. This is like real. But wait, there's more. Now I'm going to make it even more natural. I'm going to spray a little bit of leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature onto the hair because I'm going to style the hair a little bit. I'm going to flat iron the hair so it looks a little bit more natural. It looks a little bit more sleek on my head. So I'm just going to straighten the hair slightly, not all. I still want to have like this volume. I don't want it to be like bone straight, so I'm just making sure the bang area is flat because I don't want it to be like super bumpy like in the beginning. I want it to stay flat and natural. And of course, my finishing touch is my little ear section, and voila, it's a look. Girl, doesn't this look good? Guys, listen, this is a beginner friendly wig. You don't have to pluck anything, you don't have to cut anything, you don't have to do any customization, you don't have to glue anything or gel anything, you don't have to sit there and wait for the gel to air dry or blow dry with a cool shot and wait for it to dry for 30 minutes with a scarf on anything. You don't have to do all of that with this wig. You can just take the wig out of the box and put it on your head, and you are slayed to the gods. Like, but I don't know, guys, I'm just loving this unit. I'm feeling myself. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.